So I'm thinking to get the Nikon Z5, but I want to see how good is the 1080p compared to the 4K. I'm going to show you. So why not, let's go inside and let me show you. I'm really confused. I'm looking for something light, but I already have the Panasonic S5. A7C prices are going up. I'm just thinking to buy the Z5 or Z6 for the 24-50mm cupcake lens, and then the 40mm f2 cupcake lens. And excuse me, can you show me the, excuse me, Nikon Z5? And Nikon Z5. Nikon Z5. Hi. Thank you. रोक दो अभी वीडियो. So I came to buy the camera, but the Nikon Z5 have a huge crop. Whenever I record in the 4K, like this 1.7 crop, so I'm going to look somewhere else, to be honest with you. Rabi, let's go. There's a crop like 1.7 crop is like huge. Nikon Z6 is out of stock. Plus also use the XQD card. Nikon Z6 Mark II, Z6 Mark II also is out of stock. Only Nikon Z50 or Z5 is available. So you need to be the judge. I show you all of the footage. Like you need to be the judge how good it is. Should I buy the Nikon Z5 or not? Bye. 1080p video. 1080p IBIS only. IBIS only. 1080p 60. This is the 4K. Side में हो जाना थोड़ा सा. 4K. Hand handling. Hand handling. Nikon Z5. And 1080p 30 frames per second. 1080p 50mm. 1080p. 1080p. Now because there's a crop in 4K, so I cannot see my face. Rabia, this is the 1080p with 24-50 neutral profile. Handling the camera. Can you vlog with that or not? Nikon. So Rabia, there's a crop in 4K, like, so I'm looking at this one. Can you vlog with this one or not? Nikon Z5. Now it's 4K, 30 frames per second, 24mm with 1.7 crop, I think so. And then this 70mm. The crop is quite high. Rabia? Neutral profile.